GUHRING is one of the world's leading manufacturers of rotary cutting tools. Our products are accompanied their entire tool life via our comprehensive service packages. We also provide tool management, especially the complete takeover of tool provision and administration for our customers. For the storage and administration of your tools, we provide two tool dispensing systems, the TM Tool Vending Machine and the TM Multi-Vending Machine Tool Administration System. GUHRING's TM Vending Machine is a fully automatic system for the provision and administration of your tools. It provides 100% control of tool withdrawal and administration. Thanks to its modular design, the system can be adapted to your individual requirements. Operating the machine is simple via touchscreen or barcode reader. Authorized personnel log on to the system by entering their PIN number. GUHRING's user-friendly TM software allows the entry, for example, of cost centers or order numbers, providing the possibility of detailed reports. Thanks to tool managements worldwide, GUHRING's TM software is under constant further development. The next step is to select the required tool and to enter the required quantity. This step can also be carried out with the assistance of a barcode reader. The system then automatically opens the selected department and dispenses the tools, if required, also reworked. Detailed reports list all movement data and can be analyzed according to various criteria. To adapt GUHRING's TM software to specific customer requirements, a setup menu offers comprehensive individual settings. This includes, for example, stipulating different authorization levels for individual users. Various drawer heights and compartment materials enable a flexible adaptation to your product range. In addition to the drawer system, there is also a spiral system available especially for the storage of inserts and small items. Dispensing is via a central withdrawal shaft. GUHRING's TM Tool Vending Machine is an open system. Interfaces enable the communication with your product management system, especially the automatic triggering of order processes. GUHRING's TM Multi-Vending Machine Tool Administration System offers an alternative to our fully automatic system. Operation is identical to GUHRING's TM Vending Machine and therefore offers all the advantages of GUHRING's TM software. Following selection of the tool required, the multi-vending system unlocks the respective drawer. Compartment materials and the drawer partition can be designed according to customer specifications. Various drawer heights also allow the administration of large or bulky tools with this system. The option of electronically lockable compartments is available in order to increase access security. Only the specific storage compartment is unlocked. Look at the advantages of GUHRING's TM tool dispensing systems and profit from controlled tool availability around the clock, reduced storage and administration costs, permanent reporting of movement data, and automized order processing.